guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael, as everybody already heard. And around my puppies are somewhere around Ginger, Teddy. Yeah, they're somewhere around. But anyways, today I want to show you guys how to make what's the name of this fish?
Tilapia.
God, I just came out of my head. Sorry, guys. Tilapia. Anyways, you can get these at the supermarket in the frozen section.
Yes.
Where they have like the frozen shrimps, fish, codfish, Alaskan trout. I mean, all that for frozen. Because if you go to the fish thing, where the people are there.
Fish market.
Exactly. It's a little bit more, but these you can save a lot of money. I bought 8 pieces of this individuals.
Yes.
For $7.99. So I'm gonna
right.
make 4 of them. I left one in the back so you can see that they come sealed. So I wanted to open it in front of you guys. I don't want to say something and then nobody saw me, you know, and say, oh, these came in individual packages, and then they didn't.
That's right.
So what I do, I'm just gonna take them out of the bag. There's no washing or anything. I'm gonna put
Is this a lake
a
fish
little bit of
or
salt.
ocean fish?
This is a lake fish.
Okay.
Tilapia grows in lakes.
All right.
A lot of people call it like mud fish, whatever. I don't know what they mean by that, but
Maybe
I
because
love
there's
it.
a lot of mud in lakes?
It doesn't matter. That depends on what kind of lake. There's different types of lake. There's lakes with rocks. There's lakes that have only mud, you know, and dirt. There's lakes that are with sand, you know.
There's hot springs, I think, lakes.
Exactly. And I'm going to put, I said, salt and pepper,
All right.
oregano.
Check.
Okay. And then we're going to sprinkle in there a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. That is for fish, shrimps, lobster, crabs. And then we're going to put a little bit like that on the top. And then I'm going to turn them around and we're going to do the same thing on the other side.
Opposite.
Then don't go heavy on the salt. You don't want to do that.
Not
so
too
you can
heavy.
see a little sprinkle.
Because if it's too salty, then you can't eat it.
We're going to do the same thing. Salt,
That's right.
oregano.
Salt it up, salt it
You know, you crumble it with your fingers.
Just like that, see?
A little bit of pepper.
All right.
Hold on, Mike. Yeah.
You like that pepper?
Like that, yep.
Yep.
A little bit of garlic powder.
Yeah, you really got to season fish. Like, out of all the proteins,
And Old Bay seasoning.
always have to season fish, I think, the most. What do you think?
And then also, we're going to put a little bit of oil. Because we want it to cook. If you
Don't want
put
it
it
to dry
on
out.
like that without oil, it's going to stick, it's going to burn, and it's not going to cook. So then with your fingers, go like this.
Yes.
And rub it on the
Just
top.
like that,
See?
just like that.
And the back and the front of it.
Just like that.
Just like that. And make
Alright.
sure. Okay, let me grab this real quick. Make sure that we have
All the oil in there.
enough oil, exactly. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 400. For how long, Mike? Take it from there.
About 20 minutes.
Michael says 20 minutes. It might be 25. But I'll know because I can eyeball it. When the fish is done, it comes right off the bottom of the thing.
Yes.
And it will be a different color. I'll let you guys know. We'll go through that as the fish is cooking. So you put it on 400. You take your pan. You put it in the middle of the rack. And why do we put the pan in the middle of the rack, Mike? Go ahead.
Because the heat rises,
So it
actually cooks.
So everything that is in the pan can cook at the same time, you know, and at the same thing. It will cook at the same time evenly.
Yeah,
because it's in the
temperature-wise.
middle. Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now that's our tilapia that we're gonna have. We're gonna have tilapia and corn and sweet corn. This is my sweet corn. So come on here, Michael. I put my pot here with water. That's only like 1 cup of water. I'm gonna put it on high. And I have some corn left from the other day. This is sweet corn. I think this was $1.19. And there's like a pound and a half.
That's right.
Something like that. Now, when it comes to frozen vegetables, I like to putting them in a colander. I'm gonna make the rest of the half a bag. That's what I'm eating
And me
today.
too. I
My
love
son
corn.
Michael and myself. And you have to wash your corn. Now you don't want to use the hot water, but you want to use the cold water.
Right.
You want to wash it because if you don't, Michael, put your phone up so it doesn't get
Putting up.
You gotta wash it because the corn has the taste of the freezer.
Yes.
Because it's frozen corn.
That's
And
right.
if you wash the flavor, the taste of the freezer before you boil it or before you cook it with whatever you're gonna cook it with, whether you're gonna steam your corn, you're gonna put it on the stove stuff, or put it in the oven. If you take all that out,
Yeah.
you see?
That's right.
It will not taste like freezer. You want to be able to tell if it's...
No freezer burn.
You know who I learned that from? from a very well-known chef on TV that has his own TV show. I don't know if I'm allowed to mention his name, Mike.
Yeah, you can.
Should I get in trouble? Chef Ramsay.
Shout out to Chef
I learned
Ramsay.
that from him like 10 years ago when he first started his show. And
All
I
right.
still remember now that cup and a half of water that is boiling there. I'm going to take this corn that I just rinse off.
Yes.
Okay? And we're going to pour it in there.
Pour it
That
in,
water.
pour it in.
And we're going to put this on high.
Yes.
And we're going to take this one stick of butter.
Just one stick.
A whole stick.
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna put it in there, and we're gonna let that melt with the corn, and we're gonna move it as it cooks. And in less than 5 minutes, that corn will be done, and then all we have to wait for, you see, I'm gonna move it with the spoon, and with the spoon, I'm gonna go like this and kind of like cut the butter so it can, you know what I'm saying, melt faster, evenly, of course. And when that corn is done, it's gonna be delicious, let me tell you. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, and in between, Michael will be taking little videos of my corn.
That's right.
When it's boiling, and I take it off, and then when the fish is done, we will come back, and we're gonna take that tilapia out, and we're gonna serve it on a beautiful plate.
Beautiful,
with our sweet
beautiful.
corn, and we're gonna have tilapia and corn. It's very low in calories. It's
Very
good
low.
for you.
Super low.
It has tons packed with proteins.
Yes.
No vitamin
Keep you
A.
full for a
Fish
long
is
time.
packed with all types of vitamins.
Omega-3s
Exactly.
for your heart.
And you eat it early. It's 2:29, so this is kind of like our lunch dinner.
That's
what
right.
I do every day.
Yeah.
And then if anybody else gets hungry, then after that, everybody, you know what I'm saying, they eat a little, make a sandwich.
That's
or
right.
Some Hot Pockets, you know, stuff like that. But with that, I'm going to let you guys go. And don't forget to come back in 10-15 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to touch that notification button. Oh my God, I can start smelling the fish. Let me turn the light on, see what's going on in there. I can start smelling it. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google Plus, on Pinterest. Just don't forget
Everything.
to go down the link also, you know what I'm saying? And try to get your dog food with lifeabundance.com/for-all. And also, if you want to donate is the name of the thing. What is it?
Patreon.
Patreon.
Nobody's
You don't have to
donated
do
yet,
that.
but it's
anyways,
okay.
We're not done with this video. Like I said, we're making a fish. It's a lake fish. What's the name of the lake fish?
Tilapia.
Tilapia. I don't know why I keep on forgetting. I think I'm forgetting stuff. Tilapia and sweet corn. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be right back. As you can see, the butter on the top, but we're gonna do another one. That means that it's drying, so that little cup and a half of water that I put is gonna start receding and going lower. So when it goes lower, we'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn it off in the front. I'm gonna put it in the back burner. As you can see it, see, it's done. That little thing, you're gonna see what we're gonna do with it later. Thank you guys for coming back, and here we go.
Here we go, here we go.
Our tilapia is done, as you can see. You see that?
Wow, look at that.
See that little oil that I put, how it came in handy?
Oh, yeah.
Eh? Nice, and you're gonna have that flaky look. It's very hot. So what I'm gonna do is, we gotta take one of these spatulas.
Yes.
I like eating my stuff hot. I don't like when stuff gets cold, people. Oh, let it get cold. Why would I want to let anything get cold? I mean, who likes that, you see? So we pick it up like this.
Yes.
Now this is one.
Oh.
And we do the other
Look at
one.
that,
So
look
you
at
gotta scrape it.
that.
See that one got a little bit stucky there, but hello, look at this, Mike. This one is mine, Michael. Oh, look at that, Mike.
I'm looking.
I love me, and it tastes so good, and it's very low in calories. Not only that, it's very cheap. It's not expensive at all. Can you see that, Mike? How beautiful?
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
Can you see everybody?
Wait. A little bit.
How's it taste? How's it taste?
Delicious, because that's the corner of it. The only thing you eat it,
And you're forgetting the corn.
and you stay full for a long time. I know. I'm going to put the corn
That's right.
right now.
Corn it up, corn it up.
Because the corn, you see, has a little bit of water from the corn, from the butter.
Yes.
See, so you have to drain it, because what are you gonna put? You gonna put the corn all over there so it's watery all over? No. Let me take a big spoon now, and I'm gonna serve that corn. I'm gonna tell you guys, we're gonna eat good. Look at that.
All right.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful, huh? With that corn like that. Michael, that one is mine. Keep your hands off. Okay. Michael trying to touch my stuff. Sorry, Michael. Put a couple of baby corns came around there.
No, that's okay.
That okay, bud?
Yeah.
No.
Couple
Me and Michael gonna sit in front of the TV over there. Show the TV, Michael. Ginger.
Oh,
Michael.
I'm gonna take that picture.
And I'm gonna decorate this year for Halloween. The whole house I'm gonna decorate. I'm gonna put cobwebs everywhere. It's gonna be phenomenal, let me tell you.
That's right.
And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Let me fix it nice and pretty so you guys can see more or less what it's supposed to look like. It's a clean towel. There you go. So you guys can try to make it at home. It's very easy. If you don't understand anything, you can go back and watch the video again.
That's right.
For the recipe. You know, this is something very delicious, very low calorie. I love it. I'm probably gonna eat a banana with mine. This is what I do, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook,
Tumblr,
on Google Plus. Michael,
everywhere.
take it from there and tell everybody everywhere else.
You can click the link down below, and we have
There
our
you go.
Patreon. You can donate $1 or not. It just really depends on if you want to help out the channel, and also if you have puppies or any kind of supplements for yourself, you can click the link down below at lifeabundance.com/for-all. That's lifeabundance.com/for-all. Link in the description, guys. Make sure you check it out.
Eat your fish, eat your corn, bang, 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 bang. Love you guys to drink and drive. See you tomorrow for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. If you have any questions, please ask me, and I will answer within an hour, okay? So with that, I'll let you go. Bless everyone.